Welcome to Meditation Monday. This is the Meditation for Beginners series, and today we are going to do a guided gratitude meditation that will be perfect for your daily morning routine to help you get started with your day with a positive attitude, which will help you attract positive events and positive people into your life and make you more aware of the beauty that surrounds you. So as you wake up in the morning, sit up, close your eyes and take a deep breath. Go through all the things in your life that you are grateful for. We usually take the things we have for granted. We forget that some people could only dream of having the house we have, the family we have, and the education we have. Some people don't even have food and water, but we take it for granted. Some people don't even have clothes to wear, but we are able to buy new clothes whenever we feel like it. Some people don't even have a family, but we take our family for granted and expect them to be around forever, not realizing that life is unpredictable and anything could change in a second. So it is time to realize how lucky we are to have the things we have and to be healthy and happy. So say out louder in your head, "Thank you. Thank you for giving me this great life. A life where I have food on the table, clothes on my body, and a roof over my head. Thank you for this warm, soft bed I have, and for my wonderful furniture. Thank you for all the things I have. Thank you for giving me the ability to move around without any problems, using my arms and legs. Thank you for giving me the ability to see, speak and hear. No more will I take the sound of birds for granted. No more will I take the sight of the sunset for granted. And no more will I take the ability to easily share my thoughts through my voice for granted. I am grateful for my health. This perfect body that has always been loyal to me. I will treat it good and do all that I can to make sure it is healthy and strong. Thank you for giving me a loving family. A family that may not be perfect, but a family I can always count on. Thank you for the people around me. They are the ones that lift me up when I'm down, comfort me when I'm sad, and celebrate me when I succeed. Without them, my life would be empty. Thank you for giving me the opportunities in life. Thank you for all my talents and skills, both the ones I have already discovered and the ones I have yet to discover. Thank you for the personality I have. I am unique and one of a kind. There is only one me, and I love every part of this imperfect person. So thank you for making me the person I am. Then take one deep breath and then open your eyes. Now you are ready to start your day with a positive attitude, appreciative of life and grateful for all the things you have. You are as rich or as poor as you think you are. Thanks for watching. Please share this video if you found it helpful, and then I will see you in the next video. Namaste.